Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin as usual. So today we mostly will consider the price action on the short-term charts because market stands in the retracement that we have specified in the last week. And actually, even on the weekly chart, you can see that performance of the last week was not really very significant. It was minor candle here has been formed, and market right now stands at some resistance cluster. So here you could see the fib level, 11 even approximately, that we have specified previously, and we suggest this will be next resistance. But at the same time, here's few minor levels exist. So, for example, if we'll take a look at the fib levels right from this secondary top, you could see the market precisely stands at this level. So approximately 1050, 1090, or even 11 area. It's some resistance cluster on the market, and market will probably show the reaction on this level. But at the same time, we currently do not have any reasons to review or change our bullish opinion on the market, because overall sentiment price action stands bullish. Trend on the weekly chart, monthly and daily chart, sorry, not on the daily, on the weekly and monthly stands bullish, and currently market, we treat this pullback just as a retracement. Also, as you know, on the intraday chart, market also has hit the ABCD target, which also suggests some respect of this area. On the daily chart, last week we said that as a reaction on the resistance, we first consider the harmonic retracement. So you can see that market is forming here a kind of the channel, and inside of the channel it either forms the half of the harmonic swing. For example, it was in this retracement and in this retracement, or it forms the whole harmonic swing. It was here, here, and right now. So our first target of the retracement is completed. And now market stands at a very important moment. So let's call it as a decisive moment, because it should either proceed, move higher right from this point and keep the channel, or if this will not happen, channel will be broken and market will have to at least double the harmonic swing down or form another retracement to the next support that we will show you today. So for example, sorry, this one not needed. In this case, market could double retracement somewhere to the 89 area. This could be next support area that we also have on them intraday charts. So and here we will keep an eye on how market will resolve this riddle. On the 4-hour time frame chart, that's our ABCD pattern that has been completed last week. We said keep an eye on retracement. We suggest that as market is complete this area, it should be reaching of this major confidence support, first confidence support, now 96, because it corresponds to harmonic swing. So take a look. Take the harmonic swing, put it here, and you will get precisely harmonic retracement is done. This is the point where theoretically, it's a bit, in general, this is easy to relatively safe to take the long position, because some minor pullback here probably will happen up from this area. As I draw it here with these arrows, take a look. This is situation we will consider on hourly chart a bit later, but take a look what I show you. First, the pullback here could happen and should happen. That's why the taking long position right now, it's relatively safe chance with the stops below these lows. When the market will show this pullback, this will be a very important moment. In this here, you should decide whether to take the profit or just at least move the stops to the break even and see what will happen next. If market will starts dropping lower, it will tell us that we're going to double the harmonic swing and drop to the next support area, which is around 90 even. So you can see this will be approximately next confidence support. Here's where we'll get also the head and shoulders pattern, as you can see. If market will take it out of this top and move above the 1020 area, that tells you that market is going higher. So nothing to do. Just move stops to the break-even, watch the movie, and don't forget about adjusting your stop higher when the market will show and will trade out some retracements. This is in general the trading plan that we intend to follow. Currently, guys, as you can see on the hourly chart, that's our hand and shoulders. Here we suggest that market probably will show a kind of the ABCD action. So it should be somewhere to the 10-100 area, maybe slightly higher. Because here you could recognize this type of the head and shoulders activity. It's not perfect, of course. You could see here is a bit skewed, but this is, you can see, recognize some left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Since this is confidence and agreement area, because market has completed to the downside also XOP 1072 with this ABC top pattern precisely to the XOP. You probably also will find the divergence here. That's XOP stands at the confidence support, and it suggests deeper retracement, a stronger level, especially on the background of the strong rally that we saw before. Market should lead us right to the top of the right arm. That's our story for Bitcoin for a few sessions. In the 2 words, you could, if you have the bullish view, you could try to take the long position here against these lows. If market will collapse immediately, that will be mostly the same scenario of moving to the next confluence. But we right now consider different scenarios. So this is relatively safe trying to buy against these lows. First destination point will be right here, somewhere between 10-100 and 10-20. These 2 levels, 10-10, 10-20 area, where you have to make the decision what you would like to do next. And that will be the decisive point. So if markets start dropping, forming right arm, that, by the way, the point where bearish, if you have the bearish view, you could consider this point where you theoretically could try to take the short position. In this case, market will start dropping to the 90 even probably. It's next confluence, 90-50. Some of this larger ABC top pattern to the downside. Or if market will show the move above the 10-20, that will tell you that probably we're going higher with the same channel on the daily chart. And next destination point will be 11 even. So that's our current view on the market. Actually, guys, you also could suggest what will happen based on the price action in this swing. So if you will see something of that sort, that will be some challenge that indeed could show just upward continuation. If it will be gradual action, slow action, something of that sort, well, in this case, chance on the deep retracement also will be not really small. So let's see how situation will develop.